Hello children, welcome to our EdQuack YouTube channel. Today we are going to revise chapter 2 Go Green Go Smart. Okay, so this lecture is for class 5, subject English Literature. Okay, topic is chapter 2 Go Green Go Smart. We are having the book together with Essence. And this is our lecture 1, and in this lecture we are going to revise the chapter. Okay, so let's start children today's revision. Okay, we have done the chapter earlier. We did question answers, word meanings, everything we completed. Now we are going to revise it again. Kushagra is a boy of class 5. He is very intelligent. Okay, so this is the story of a little boy whose name is Kushagra. He is in class 5. He is very intelligent. Once he went to market with his mother and saw that the road was littered with all kinds of refuse. Refuse means waste material. Okay, so once he went, एक बार वो गया to market with his mother, अपनी मम्मी के साथ market, and saw और उसने देखा that road was littered with all kinds of refuse, कि रोड बहुत सारे वेस्ट मटेरियल से गंदी पड़ी है या बहुत सारा वेस्ट मटेरियल रोड पे फैला हुआ है. He was worried to see all this, और उसको ये सब देखकर चिंता हो गई. Then they went little further and saw 2 different colored bins, and he asked his mother about these bins. फिर वो थोड़ी सी आगे गए और उन्होंने 2 अलग अलग कलर के बिन्स देखे. बिन्स मीन्स डस्टबिन्स. फिर उसने अपनी मम्मी से पूछा about these bins. The mother told him about reduce, reuse and recycle, the 3 R's of the environment. Okay? फिर उसकी मम्मी ने उसको reduce, reuse और recycle के बारे में बताया. Okay? The 3 R's of the environment. Environment means surroundings, पर्यावरण. The green bin was kept for biodegradable items and blue was kept for the items that cannot be recycled. Okay, green जो था वो biodegradable products के लिए था, like peels of vegetables, okay, waste of food, leftover food item, papers, okay, and blue was kept for recycled products. The products which can be recycled, like old cans, old water bottles, plastic material. Next day, Kushagra went to school and their teacher told them that their school is going to celebrate Green Week. Next day, when Kushagra went to school, their teacher told that they are going to celebrate Green Week. ओके, वो अपने स्कूल में ग्रीन वीक सेलिब्रेट करने वाले हैं. लुक चिल्ड्रन, दिस इज साइन ऑफ 3 R's, रिड्यूस, रीयूज एंड रिसाइकल. All the students were happy to know about that and were excited and took part in the discussion. Okay, सब बच्चे ये जानकर खुश हुए. They were all excited also. And they took part in discussion, और उन्होंने discussion में part भी लिया. How they took part? They took part enthusiastically, पूरे उत्साह के साथ. And they gave their suggestions, और उन्होंने अपने suggestions भी दिए. Kushagra advised all to use the reverse of printouts for rough works. Okay, so Kushagra gave an idea to use the reverse, means backside of the paper or printouts for rough work. Mehak advised to use cloth napkin and reusable plates in place of disposable plates and napkins. Mehak ने idea दिया that they should use cloth napkin, okay, like hankies, and रीयूजेबल प्लेट्स, ओके, और वो प्लेट्स जिनको धोकर दोबारा इस्तेमाल में लाया जा सके, इन प्लेस ऑफ डिस्पोजेबल प्लेट्स एंड नैपकिन्स. Sheena requested all to bring their own water bottles and avoid using packaged water. ओके, शीना ने आइडिया दिया या रिक्वेस्ट की कि दे शुड ऑल ब्रिंग देयर ओन वाटर बोतल, ओके, एंड दे शुड अवॉइड मिनरल वाटर फ्रॉम आउटसाइड. At last, everyone liked Puru's idea of celebrating Earth Day every month. Okay, at last, okay, when the session was about to end, Puru gave an idea to celebrate Earth Day every month. Okay, by the end of the class, everyone was happy and full of green ideas. Okay, by the end of the class, जब तक क्लास खत्म हुई, सभी बच्चे, all of them were happy and they were full of new ideas. After going home, Kushagra wrote in his diary about 3 hours happily. When they came back home, Kushagra wrote in his diary about 3 hours of the environment. Okay, that is reuse, reduce and recycle. And he was happy. Okay, now children, as we are revising the chapter, so we will revise word meaning, question answers. Okay, so word meanings: peep means झांकना, peep means झांकना. littered, कूड़ा करकट, okay, littered means कूड़ा करकट. refuse, कचरा, refuse means कचरा. horrifying, भयावह, डरावना. curious, उत्सुक, curious means उत्सुक. Okay, like one sentence I would like to share with you. Okay, he was curious to know the result of his examination. Okay, वह अपने रिजल्ट को जानने के लिए उत्सुक था. ठीक है. Now, reuse, दोबारा इस्तेमाल करना. reuse means दोबारा इस्तेमाल करना. recycle, पुनः चक्रित करना, पुनः चक्रित करना. kiosk, booth. Okay, like mother dairy, it is usually made in kiosk. ठीक है, मदर डेयरी के जो बूथ होते हैं उनको बोलते हैं kiosk. concluded, खत्म किया. Okay, we concluded the morning assembly with the beautiful quote. हमने मॉर्निंग असेंबली को एक ब्यूटीफुल क्योट के साथ खत्म किया. ठीक है. द टीचर कंक्लूडेड द क्लास बाय डिस्ट्रीब्यूटिंग द पेपर्स. टीचर ने क्लास को खत्म किया पेपर डिस्ट्रीब्यूट करके. ठीक है. अपलोडेड, तालियां बजाई या सराहना की. अपलोडेड मीन्स तालियां बजाई या सराहना की. Now we will do question answers. Children, you have to do question answers, true, false, fill-ups, everything. And one more thing you have to do, that is your reference to context. Okay, like it is given, read the following line and answer the following questions. That exercise you have to do also. In literature, you can leave grammar portion. Okay, because grammar syllabus you have separately. What shocked Kushagra when he went shopping with his mother? Kushagra was shocked when he saw that the road was littered with all kind of refuse, disposable glasses, plates, spoons, old toys, polythene bags, empty water bottles and many more. Okay, what shocked Kushagra? कुशाग्र को किस चीज ने बहुत ही हैरान किया? When he went shopping with his mother, जब वो अपनी मम्मी के साथ शॉपिंग पे गया. कुशाग्र was shocked, कुशाग्र shocked था या हैरान था. When he saw, जब उसने देखा, that the road was littered, कि पूरी रोड लिटर्ड है, मीन्स रोड पर कूड़ा करकट है, विद ऑल काइंड ऑफ रिफ्यूज. ओके, और कौन सा रिफ्यूज था? डिस्पोजेबल ग्लासेस, प्लेट्स, स्पून्स, ओल्ड टॉयज, पॉलिथीन बैग्स, एम्प्टी वाटर बॉटल्स एंड मैनी मोर. ये सभी तरीके का कचरा सड़क पर फैला हुआ था. What do you understand by recycling? Name few recyclable things that you see around you. Okay? आप रिसाइकलिंग से या पुनः चक्रण से क्या समझते हैं? कुछ रिसाइक्लेबल थिंग्स के उदाहरण दो. Recycling is the process of recovering waste and converting it into useful products. Recycling है process of recovering waste, और वेस्ट को रिकवर करने का, एंड कन्वर्टिंग इट इनटू यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट्स, और इसको कन्वर्ट करने का किसमें? यूजफुल प्रोडक्ट्स में. एग्जाम्पल, ग्लास. ओके, नाउ दीज आर द थिंग्स विच वी कैन रिसाइकल, लाइक ग्लास, पेपर, प्लास्टिक, मटेरियल एक्सेट्रा. ठीक है, ये सभी चीजें हम रिसाइकल कर सकते हैं. Why did Kushagra's mother buy a Tetra pack of juice instead of can of cola? Kushagra's mother bought a Tetra pack of juice because it could be thrown away in blue bin to reduce waste. Okay, because Tetra pack could be thrown away in the blue bin to reduce the waste. How can we save trees? You have children, it is my idea of saving the tree. You can write yours. It can be different. We can save the trees by not wasting papers. हम trees को save कर सकते हैं कैसे? By not wasting the paper. Papers को waste ना करके. By sharing our old books and notebooks with others. Okay? And we can to save the paper, we can share our old books and notebooks with others. What did Puru suggest? चैप्टर हमने पढ़ा, पुरु ने क्या सजेशन दिया था? Did the class like his idea? Puru suggested to celebrate Earth Hour once a month or every month. Yes, the class liked his idea. ठीक है, पुरु ने अर्थ आवर सेलिब्रेट वंस अ मंथ सेलिब्रेट करने का आइडिया दिया था. यस, द क्लास लाइक्ड हिज आइडिया. क्लास को उसका आइडिया पसंद आया. हाउ कैन यू से दैट कुशाग्र इज अ स्मार्ट शॉपर? वी कैन से दैट कुशाग्र इज अ स्मार्ट शॉपर बिकॉज ही ऑलवेज carries his jute shopping bag and he always makes it sure to look for the recyclable sign on every item before purchasing. ठीक है, हम बोल सकते हैं कि कुशाग्र एक स्मार्ट शॉपर है बिकॉज whenever he goes for shopping, जब भी वो शॉपिंग पे जाता है, he carries his jute bag, वो अपना जूट बैग घर से ले जाता है. and he always makes it sure, और वो हमेशा ये श्योर करता है कुछ खरीदने से पहले, टू लुक फॉर द रिसाइक्लेबल साइन, कि उसके ऊपर रिसाइकल का साइन हो. ऑन एवरी आइटम बिफोर परचेजिंग, हर आइटम पे वो श्योर करता है कि उस पे रिसाइक्लेबल साइन हो. ठीक है, खरीदने से पहले. राइट डाउन 2 ways टू कीप योर सराउंडिंग्स क्लीन एंड लिटर फ्री. अपने सराउंडिंग्स को क्लीन रखने के लिए और लिटर फ्री रखने के लिए 2 ways बताओ. ओके, दीज आर द वेज विच आई थिंक suitable. You can write yours. Okay, you can change these. 2 ways by which we can keep our surroundings clean. 1. Using dustbins. 2. Stopping the use of plastic bags. Okay, we can use dustbin to throw the litter, and we can stop using the plastic bags. Okay, or we can carry our jute bags for shopping. ठीक है? Okay children, as you read the chapter, I am going to give you one revision assignment. It's very easy. Filling the given blanks. Kushagra was a boy of class dash. You will get in the very first line of the chapter. Okay, the road was littered with all kind of dash. Two different colored dash were on the road. दो different color के क्या थे रोड पर? The blue bin was for dash items and green was for dash. Blue bin किसके लिए रखा था और green bin किसके लिए रखा था? You have to write here. The teacher told that the school is going to celebrate dash. टीचर ने बताया कि वो dash week dash celebrate करने जा रहे हैं. Now you have to frame sentences with the following words: recycle and kiosk. Okay, both the words you have to use for framing the sentence. Okay children, वैसे आपको सभी वर्ड मीनिंग्स जो दिए हैं सबसे एक एक सेंटेंस फ्रेम कर लेना चाहिए, बिकॉज इट्स नॉट कंपल्सरी दैट दीज वर्ड्स विल कम. वर्ड्स कैन बी डिफरेंट ऑल्सो. What do you understand by recycling? Name few recyclable things that you see around you. It is from your book exercise. Write down 2 ways to keep your surroundings clean and litter free. It is also from your book exercise. Okay. Now I know all of you can solve this assignment easily. Now children, as I tell you, homework solution of previous lecture at the end of every lecture. So this is homework solution of chapter 1 lecture 1. Okay, in that also I gave you one assignment, revision assignment. I am going to tell you the answers now. The 3 friends decided to see that who could dash the highest. Who could jump. Okay, who could jump the highest. सबसे तेज कौन कूद सकता था. The dash declared a prize for the highest jumper. Who declared the prize for highest jumper? King. The king declared a prize for the highest jumper. The flea stepped forward and dashed to the audience. Okay, bowed. वो आगे आया और audience की तरफ झुका. The grasshopper said that he belonged from an ancient dash family. Ancient Egyptian family. An old counselor said that the frog was a prophet. Prophet means a holy man, ईश्वर दूत या पैगंबर. Frame sentences. Exterior means बाहरी. We should not judge people according to their exterior look. हमें लोगों को उनके बाहरी दिखावे से या बाहरी वेशभूषा से या लुक से जज नहीं करना चाहिए. Amusing. I saw an amusing scene yesterday. मैंने कल एक amusing scene देखा. Prophet means ईश्वर दूत. My uncle is a prophet. Children, these are the sentences which I selected. Your sentences can be different. Okay, no need to worry and no need to copy these. Answer the following questions. The grasshopper was considered ill-mannered. Why? Okay, why the grasshopper considered ill-mannered? The grasshopper was considered ill-mannered because as he jumped, he leapt into the king's face. Okay, जैसे ही वो कूदा वो किंग के फेस से जाकर टकरा गया. So he was considered ill-mannered. What fact did the grasshopper tell about himself? The grasshopper told that he belonged to an ancient Egyptian family. Grasshopper ने अपने बारे में एक फैक्ट क्या बताया? Grasshopper ने बताया कि वो एक ancient Egyptian family से belong करता है. What did the 3 friends decide? The 3 friends decided to see that who could jump the highest. तीनों फ्रेंड्स ने क्या डिसाइड किया था? तीनों फ्रेंड्स ने डिसाइड किया था ये देखने का कि उनमें से सबसे तेज जंप कौन करता है. ओके, सो चिल्ड्रन, आई होप ऑल ऑफ योर आंसर्स आर करेक्ट. नाउ आई वुड लाइक टू रिक्वेस्ट ऑल ऑफ यू to subscribe our AdQuack YouTube channel. Okay, tell your friends and relatives about our channel. Tell them to subscribe and like and share our videos. Okay children, I hope you are doing your revision properly. Okay, and all the concepts are clear to you. If you have any doubt or query, we will solve that in our online class. Okay children, have a nice day. I hope you have enjoyed today's lecture. Okay, have a nice and safe day. Goodbye, take care.